Bis-aminopropyl-diglycol-dimaleate. 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 Is your We have gone so long without having Olaplex, so why in the world would we need it now? Well, this video is a follow-up to my last year video, and I'm going to be spilling the tea and giving you all of the details. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Brandon Experience, home of the best beauty education on YouTube and business building done the right way. My name is Brandon, and on today's episode, I'm going to be talking to you all about Olaplex. Do we really need Olaplex in 2021? Who is it for? What exactly is it? And if you choose to use it, where should you look for it? So last year, about, maybe April or May, I recorded an Olaplex video, which I have noticed is getting a lot of traction. Well, today I'm going to give you the modern, real, best version of that video that I gave you all last year. So let's get right into it. So what is Olaplex? Olaplex is a bond multiplier, meaning that we have these little tiny bonds inside of our hair. So when we brush our hair, we get mechanical damage or twisted or braided, kind of just playing it all day. Thermal damage, which is caused by using our flat and smoothing irons, hot combs, blow dryers, and excess of heat. There's so many things that can contribute towards that. And then we have our chemical damage, which is caused by color, lightening, and relaxer services, even perm services. What Olaplex does is it goes into the inner structure of our hair and relinks those little bonds that are broken and forms an even stronger bond. So Olaplex has a patented ingredient that people cannot duplicate as of right now. The name of this active ingredient is bis-aminopropyl diglycol-dimaleate. Whoa, that was a mouthful, right? I feel like Missy Elliott. There are other companies that have things that help to support structure of hair. No one can do what Olaplex is doing currently because they have the patent on that active ingredient. So who is Olaplex for? Olaplex is for virgin hair, it's for curly hair, it's for wavy hair, it's for straight hair. Then it's everything you need all in one product? Well, not exactly. Olaplex does a great job of providing a moderate amount of hydration, but if you are a person that has extremely dry and brittle hair, I would advise that you support your Olaplex system with some type of deep hydrating treatment. One of my favorites would be Redken All Soft Heavy Cream. I keep this in my shower because I'm a person that fights and struggles with dry, brittle hair. Olaplex is also not a keratin. I see that online so many times. I'm even a part of some professional hairstylist education communities, and it literally drives me nuts when I see it because Olaplex is not a keratin treatment. I personally do not recommend that anyone shampoos their hair on a daily basis. However, that is how safe the active ingredients in Olaplex is. You can use it on a daily if you wish. If you are a person that needs strength in your hair, then I would recommend something like the Color Wow Breakage Cocktail. This is a kale-infused cocktail that has natural protein-building amino acids in it. So this is something that will work completely different, which would be wonderful and safe to use in conjunction with your Olaplex routine. So the Olaplex system is numbered. It goes from number 0 all the way down to number 7, which is the bonding oil. So number 0 is the pre-treatment that you would use before number 3. So you don't want to use number 0 by itself. It is to be used in conjunction with number 3. So think of that as like your amplifier or your booster to make your number 3 work even better. Number 1 and number 2 are professional products that should be used in the salon by your salon professionals. So those of you that used to go on Walmart's website, now they have come out with a product that's going to give you those same type of effects, but safely, and you're not going to have to spend 10 tons of money to buy a product that you really don't have a need for at home. Number 3 is a great pre-shampoo treatment. So number 0 and number 3, they go together to make the ultimate treatment before you shampoo your hair. That brings us to number 4. That brings us to number 4, which is your shampoo, and number 5. So these pair together excellent. 4 and 5 are your shampoo and conditioner. So after you have shampooed and conditioned your hair, then you have number 6. This is the Bond Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. I think that this pairs well with number 7. 0 and 3, 1 and 2, 4 and 5, and then you have 6 and number 7. The bonding oil is a thermal protectant, which I like, so that kind of like boosts number 6. You get the smoothing from here, and then you get the shine and thermal protection from number 7. If you want a detailed breakdown of like what each of these products are and what they do, check out my video from last year. I go into deeper detail about each product, how to store them, and how you can get the maximum benefits out of them. Why should a person use Olaplex? We have gone all of these years and we have never had this, so why now all of a sudden? The short answer is that things change. Science progresses. We learn new things about hair and different ways to take care of our hair. The things that we did a long time ago are not things that we continue to do now. So when we know better, we do better. I compare Olaplex to a seatbelt. Originally, cars didn't have seatbelts. We still were able to drive, right? However, now that we have seatbelts, we have a little added safety. And that is exactly what Olaplex is. It is a insurance for your hair, it is a seatbelt for your hair. It gives you more safety and more protection. So where should you buy Olaplex from? Olaplex should be purchased from an authorized retailer. There is so much bootlegging that goes on the market with hair products. People make all kind of products and refill them with things. They're expired. You don't know what they have done to them. So you want to shop with a salon professional, authorized distributor. On the Olaplex website, they offer their products. You can shop for them in Sephora. And if you know me, you know I prefer that you support small businesses. No shade to Sephora. However, I think Sephora gets their money no matter what. You are unaware of what salon to go to, I do offer the Olaplex line on thebrandingexperience.com as well. Yes, in 2021, I am still saying that Olaplex is an excellent product that I think that almost anyone can benefit from. No, this is not a paid video. No, this is not a sponsorship. I'm not endorsed by Olaplex. I like to let you all know the truth. I talk about products that I love. And since my last video was getting a little bit of momentum, I wanted to give you all an update and let you all know I'm still rocking with Olaplex and you can still trust it. I hope this video has been informative for you. I hope that I am delivering the type of content that you all need. Please leave me comments below. Ask me questions. If you are concerned about your hair and you just cannot figure out what to do with it, I am offering a new service on my website, thebrandingexperience.com/consult. Virtual consultations are available. I have a scheduling platform on there. You can go book your consultation, and I'm going to talk to you about all things hair, product recommendations, and get you on your way to your best hair life. I look forward to seeing everybody next week. Thank you all so much for watching. Everyone, please continue to stay safe and be well. See you all next week. Same place, same time, same channel as always.